Welcome to SOS Electronic. In this episode, we will explore Marquardt 1930 rocker switches, a durable solution for harsh environments. If you are looking for a reliable switch in tough conditions, Marquardt's 1930 series rocker switches are built to last. With up to 50,000 mechanical cycles, IP65 protection, resistance to temperatures from -30 to +105 degrees Celsius, and the ability to handle inrush currents up to 120 amps, these switches are perfect for industrial equipment and household appliances alike. In today's world, many devices turn on automatically, whether you approach, touch, or even just speak to them. But for certain devices, nothing beats the reliability of a good old rocker switch, ensuring safe manual operation. Call it nostalgia, but there's something reassuring about the feel of manually controlling a device. We love Marquardt rocker switches, and here is why. They are designed to eliminate accidental activation. The status of the switches is clearly visible both from the actuator position and the indicator light. The switches consume no power when in the off position. They ensure dependable on-off operation for any device. They stand out in several areas. The first one is longevity, with mechanical life up to 50,000 cycles. The second one is protection rating of IP65 on the actuator side, ensuring robust protection against dust and water. On the terminal side, the switch is rated IP40 and is suitable for enclosed installation within devices. As for operational temperature range, the switch can withstand temperatures up to 105 degrees Celsius internally and up to 55 degrees Celsius on the actuator side. Both sides are cold resistant down to -30 degrees Celsius. As for inrush current handling, they are capable of managing up to 120 amps when switching capacitive loads. All technical details, key features and benefits of Marquardt rocker switches can be found on our website. If you are interested in more information about Marquardt products, or if you need technical guidance on selecting the right switch, feel free to contact us at soselectronic.com.